INFOhio is a collection of premium digital content for Ohio's teachers, students, and parents. Many of our resources are not freely available on the internet. Go to www.enfohio.org. Always check to make sure you are logged in with either your school district username and password or as a statewide user. If the box in the top left corner is green, then you are logged in. If it is red, a login is required. To learn more about logging in, watch our video, Logging In to Access Digital Content from INFOhio. Scroll down on the home page until you find the ISearch search box. ISearch is INFOhio's discovery search interface. ISearch lets students explore multiple collections of magazines and journals, newspapers, reports, primary sources, encyclopedias, videos, and eBooks. Reliable content that isn't available on the open web from a single search box, making it easier for you to find the right content for research or other projects. With iSearch, you can search most of INFOhio's reliable digital resources all at once. Think of iSearch as Google for INFOhio. ISearch Mobile is the iSearch we all know and love. ISearch Mobile does everything iSearch does, including placing holds. ISearch Mobile allows students of any age to search on any device for the quality content for reading and learning anywhere, anytime. If you are on a desktop machine, you can click the accessibility icon at the top of the iSearch page to change your view. Using the desktop mobile view gives a simple interface of iSearch, which allows younger students to search for the content they need without distractions. Here are the main components of the desktop mobile landing page. Here, your school or district name appears at the top if you are logged in as an automated INFOhio school. By clicking the hamburger menu, you can view menu options such as My Account, My List, and the ability to disable accessibility mode are found here. You have the search bar. The search option link allows you to specify which collection to search and the field. All fields, title, author, subject. Clicking the search option also gives you access to advanced search. To learn more about advanced searching in iSearch Mobile, watch our video, iSearch Mobile Advanced Searching. Click Disable Accessibility Mode from the main menu. The page will revert to the desktop version of iSearch. Note, disabling accessibility mode on a device will not revert the display to the desktop version of iSearch. On a mobile device, you can go to enfohio.org and search from the iSearch box. The results are then defaulted to the statewide collection, which does not have an My Library tab. Instead, you are taken to eBooks and videos. You can still access the Research Resource tabs by changing your search with the drop-down. When logged in as an INFOhio automated school, your school name will appear in the red banner. To do a basic search, enter your search term and hit Enter, or click the magnifying glass icon to the right of the search bar. Results will generate in a list. Let's highlight the main components of the iSearch Mobile results screen. The My Library drop-down allows you to switch to other searches. This would be the tabbed searches found in iSearch. Choose from encyclopedias, basic and advanced sources, STEAM, and open access searches. The filtered results will allow you to limit your results to subject, author, format, or publication. You can learn more about filtering in our video, iSearch Mobile Advanced Searching. Here you can see some brief information about the title, and a book cover image or a generic icon will display. You can click the image to see details. From this button, you can place holds if holds are enabled. By clicking the three dots, users have an additional way to place a hold or add the item to a list. Learn more about placing holds and My List by watching our iSearch Mobile Placing Holds video. Finally, at the bottom of the screen, you will find a page navigation tool.